Welcome to Rustbuster Framework's installation guide for Toyota's 2000 to 2006 Tundra. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Remove the vehicle's bed. Step 3. Remove the gas tank, followed by removing the 2 bolts from the EVAP system support with a 12mm socket. Next, remove the 4 rivets retaining the crossmember onto the frame on each side of the vehicle. Then remove the crossmember. Step 4. Insert the part into the frame and secure it with the included hardware with a 14mm socket and 17mm wrench. Finally, coat the part with a primer to help prevent against rust development. And you're done.